Well, you remember that fireplace that was in the living room? I had a little thing happen. So, what used to be this is now this. Oops. I really didn't mean to. It was ugly brick. I didn't like it. But it was kind of coming off of the wall, detaching. And so I went up to it and I told Mark, I said, what are we going to do about this? And it totally detached from the wall. I had to hang on to it while he knocked down the brick so it wouldn't fall on me. Hot mess. But now I'm going to get my way and my fireplace is going to be beautiful.